Welcome, weary wanderers and restless souls, to our channel, your sanctuary for all things sleep-related. Today, we're embarking on a journey to transform your bed into a haven of tranquility and rest, a true sleep sanctuary. In a world filled with hustle and bustle, it's essential to carve out a space where you can recharge and rejuvenate. So, before we dive into the dreamy details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on achieving the perfect night's sleep. Let's begin. 1. Luxurious bedding. The foundation of any sleep sanctuary is luxurious bedding. Treat yourself to high-quality sheets, soft duvets, and plush pillows that invite you to sink into blissful comfort. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton or linen to promote airflow and keep you cool throughout the night. Investing in premium bedding is an investment in your sleep, and trust me, it's worth it. 2. Calming color palette. Create a serene atmosphere in your sleep sanctuary with a calming color palette. Choose soft, muted tones like blues, greens, and neutrals that promote relaxation and tranquility. Avoid bold, stimulating colors that can disrupt your sleep, and opt for hues that evoke a sense of calm and serenity. 3. Mood lighting. Set the mood in your sleep sanctuary with thoughtful lighting design. Dimmable lights, bedside lamps, and soft LED strips can help create a cozy ambience that signals to your body that it's time to unwind. Consider installing blackout curtains or blinds to block out unwanted light and create a dark, cave-like environment that's conducive to sleep. 4. Ambient sounds. Drown out distractions and lull yourself into a deep slumber with ambient sounds. Invest in a sound machine or use a smartphone app to customize your sleep soundtrack. 5. Comfortable mattress and pillows. Of course, no sleep sanctuary is complete without a comfortable mattress and pillows. Choose a mattress that provides the right balance of support and cushioning for your body type and sleeping preferences. Experiment with different pillow types: memory foam, down, or shredded foam until you find the perfect match that cradles your head and neck in heavenly comfort. 6. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches to your sleep sanctuary to make it truly your own. Whether it's family photos, treasured mementos, or calming artwork, surrounding yourself with items that bring you joy and comfort can enhance the sense of coziness and relaxation in your bedroom. Remember, your sleep sanctuary is a reflection of you, so make it a space that speaks to your soul. And there you have it, the key elements to transform your bed into a haven of rest and relaxation. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own sleep sanctuary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving the perfect night's sleep. Thanks for joining me today, and sweet dreams. I'll catch you in the next video.